everyone, welcome back to the Little Clean. I'm Scarlett.
Hi, I'm Noah, and we're going to make a little tornado in a glass jar.
So what are some of the things we need, Scarlett?
A food colouring and some vinegar
And a glass jar, and don't forget you have to have a lid with it.
Yep. And we've got some dish soap, and and a little measuring spoon. So firstly we need a few
food
drops of
colouring.
this.
Yep.
Now, it says 3 to 5 drops, but I don't have a dropper, so I'm not sure. Okay, all right. Scarlett, can you hold this for me, please?
Sure.
Over the... Great. And then we're going to have 1 teaspoon of vinegar. There we go. Perfect. And pass it to Noah, and he can do the next one. Can you hold this? Very good. And 1 dish soap, teaspoon of dish soap. There we go. Chuck it in. Very good. So we've got Aquila with us. Say hi, Aquila.
So that's why she looks
So
like
now we have all the things together in this jar, and then we start swirling.
Guys, and that's how you make a tornado
In a jar.
In a jar.
Let's try it upside down, see if that works.
Let's see. Spin it fast.
Alright, ready?
Wait, maybe.